What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you the best way to make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, affiliate marketing and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, first thing first, make sure you watch the whole video here because I'm gonna share with you some important information that I learned the hard way, I spent thousands of dollars with, so make sure you stick till the end so you don't miss out on anything. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with what I'm gonna share with you here and much more, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video. But for now, let's have a look at the best way to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2019 for beginners. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to explain a little bit here. Affiliate marketing is actually, in my opinion, the number way to get started with as a beginner and in overall to make money with. It's really simple, it has its benefits, you don't need to create your own product, you don't need to hassle with anything of that. All you have to do is actually more or less to promote other people's offer. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing because they don't implement on a few things, important things that I want to share with you here today. So hopefully you will grab this important information here and implement it in your business to get started with affiliate marketing so you can succeed there. And I learned this the hard way. I'm going to explain to you here also why. So let's get started to have a closer look at this. So I typed earlier here traffic, and that is of course what we want. The next thing you're probably going to say that it's really simple, we want to drive traffic to an offer, and I'm actually going to put it inside here, the offer, because I'm going to explain to you right here, we want to have an opt-in page. Some people call it a squeeze page. And this is how it looks. Basically, when you click the link from my #1 recommendation, you will find a pretty similar site like this. And you can see here that in exchange for your email address, I want you to opt in here. I'm giving you a free video case study where I share with you how I made $420 in less than 24 hours and how you can do it too. Okay, so you have to opt in to see this. Another thing, this is actually on my myimtips.com, my site, and it is as an exit. So before you leave, you will see this squeeze page. It is a free report. This is a PDF. Works actually, it is pretty much the same principles that I'm sharing, but it is on a PDF instead of a video case study here. So it doesn't really matter, okay? You need to have something out of value here. You need to create your own report or your own case study or whatever it's going to be in exchange for the email address. So if you're asking me why, I'm going to explain to you really simple why here. Okay, so there you have it. So we want people to opt in because if we have sent them straight to the offer here, I can guarantee you that 99.99% you would have never seen that traffic that you have spent money on or effort on to see those people again, okay? You don't know where they are coming from, you just know that you have sent people to the offer and you never know what's going to happen. So that is why we want to go to the process and we want to do it this way with an opt-in page. We're talking about email marketing. I learned this the hard way, as I said earlier. For those of you that have been following me, you probably heard this story, but if you're new here, I actually started without doing email marketing. I started to promote offers in Facebook, and all of a sudden one day when I woke up, I've spent thousands of dollars I just realized that they have closed that page. They never explained, I never did anything wrong in my opinion, but I could never get it back. So there I was, I felt really, really lost that day, to be honest with you. I spent so much money and of course effort, time to do that. And that is where I actually started to build an email list, and I realized why everyone was talking about the money is in the list, and I realized it. So I focused on email marketing. I later on became even a solo ad vendor to learn everything about email marketing, and that is how I continued and started to see results, of course. So email marketing, number one way to go as an affiliate marketer, no matter what. If you're sending traffic from your YouTube videos, Facebook or whatever, I highly recommend you that you should send it to an opt-in page and build your list there. And you do that with an autoresponder, of course, and opt-in pages like this that I shared here earlier. Okay, so what you need to do later on basically is that we need to also do a follow-up sequence, because even if people opt in and they see the offer here straight away, they will probably never buy. Okay, a few people buy straight away, but most are just opting in and they want to see the offer. And that is why this is so important here with the follow-up sequence, because if you do create some good content in your emails, you actually people are going to start to like you, they're going to trust you, I'm sorry for the ugly writing here, and then they will start to buy from you. So that is how it works. Okay, now we are going a step beyond here, and to separate actually as an affiliate marketer, another tip is that you can offer a bonus. Okay, so this is a huge benefit, so that people are going to purchase from you instead of any other affiliate marketer. And a few days back I did a review here, which was I Am Checklist review, volume 19 with Kevin. Now I'm including a unique bonus package here. Okay, if you purchase through my link, of course, I Am Checklist, which is in my opinion a no-brainer, because you can see it here on my site. I do include daily list profits. Only this sells for $27 alone. But I also include my pro video training, which is a business in a box. I cover everything you need to know on how to get started with everything inside here. Okay, so you get this as a bonus if you purchase this. I want to make it as an irresistible offer, a no-brainer for you to purchase it. Okay, so the big plus is that you don't want to create your own free report, for example, or you want to include a bonus, so you don't know how and what to include. Well, I have the solution for you, because if you grab I Am Checklist volume 19, look at this. Use as a bonus for your affiliate marketing promotions. There you have it. You don't need to create anything at all. All you have to do is just rebrand it. Even if you don't want to rebrand it, you can just include them as a bonus package. So you purchase this and you can use them in many, many ways, because you are getting PLR rights. Okay, it stands for private label rights. So there I have solved the solution for you, that it doesn't take you very long time to just download this and use them as a bonus. Okay, so there you have it. You can also create a free report, but best of all is I think you can use this as a bonus. So you can value this for definitely $17 and tell your subscribers that if you purchase whatever you're going to promote, you can actually get a bonus package, I Am Checklist volume 19, exactly as I have right here. Okay, so I did a full in-depth video review here where I'm showing you everything you're going to get, and I'm also telling you the bonuses that you're going to get here. Okay, you get more bonuses, but I think those two that I have here, these are my own courses, So these are actually unique bonuses, but you can actually mention it as unique bonus also. Just rename it, rebrand the I am checklist, and you are definitely good to go there. So that is another biggie to actually make money as an affiliate marketer. And while it may take you a little bit more effort to actually do these steps instead of just sending straight to the offer, you can quickly realize and see the benefits of doing it here, because people have subscribed to you. They will probably start to trust you, like you, and they will buy from you again and again if you handle this right, okay? I'm not saying that you're going to bombard every day fat loss product the next day and make money online and so on, but be smart here, okay? Promote a few products, be very wise, include bonus every now and then, and you definitely are going to make money as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you want to find out more about how to make money online as an affiliate marketer and much more, I highly suggest you to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. This is about affiliate marketing and much more to get you started to make a full-time passive income online. So go ahead, check that out right here below this video. If you get some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.